Wow. Want me to help you? No, Mom, I got this. I got this. Oh, come on. You're almost there. Get it out. I think this is how we should open our presents. Right here.
That's funny. Here, Eric.
Now she doesn't want it.
Whoops.
Well, that was fun. I gotta take it out of the plastic.
Merry Christmas, Cal.
Callie.
Oh my gosh,
Callie.
she's gonna get it out of the plastic.
Man.
Oh.
Hold on. You have to wait.
It's still cold out.
Yeah, a little bit.
Hold on.
You know you're headed outside with that, don't you, Cal?
No, help me. Good girl.
Gosh. Merry Christmas,
Okay.
Cal.
Oh, peanut butter.
You want to get that blanket and put it
Yeah.
out there?
Man, she is happy now.
She's-
Don't let her have that
I
in
know.
here.